Hello, I'm Hiro from Space Free, CEO and the founder of Space Free in Tokyo. So what we are doing is to provide VR cloud software for business customers to create and utilize the VR panorama content. So the reason why we are joining is that we are not going to global, but in the near future I will. So from that point we are joining. Hello, this is a hero from Space 3 in Japan. So what we are doing is to provide cloud software, EasyVR anywhere. Our client companies can create, edit, and utilize VR content very easily and effectively. So uh, this is how it works. So our clients, companies buy 360 photos, 360 cameras. They are sold all over. And then they can take a photo and the movies, upload the data to our cloud. So then our cloud can create the content automatically. That content is used for the marketing, analytics, and the training and the sales and so on. So for example, this is a case of the real estate. That usually you can see this kind of the contents all over the world. So our clients, this content very easily, then they can use this content in the communication with the clients. So good thing is that this content can improve the online conversion rate. And usually our client, real estate and housing market, they offer the on-site viewing usually, but this VR content replace it online. This means end users will be happy to make it efficient. Therefore, our companies can improve their contract rate. So not only in the real estate and the housing market, that usually our clients are in the training area. This is the next sample. So this shows how waiters work in the hall. So in this movie is split into the two monitor screen because this is captured with a VR device. So this waiter clean up the table, and then the client, the guest, call these waiters. In this case, this waiter has to judge whether they have to go to the guest immediately or after cleaning up the table, they will go to the guest. The answer is this waiter has to go to the guest immediately. They have to judge the situation. So our client create this content by themselves very easily. So then our company can save time in the on-the-job training, and the companies can offer a new training for the part-time and the waiters, something like that, especially in the factories recently. So, and also they can improve the retention rate. That's why our client in the real estate, housing, and the training area, they can pay $100 every month. Our business model is SaaS. So we started this business 4 years ago. Now we have over 5,000 business users. It's growing, and also the churn rate is very critical. So our churn rate is good enough, 1.1% monthly, and the net revenue churn rate is negative successfully. So usually, basically what we are doing is to provide innovative solutions with overwhelming technical capabilities, not just creating the 360 photos. So for example, you can see this video. We converted 360 photo, just a photo, into the 3D layout model. So yeah, 360 photo shows a sense of space, but this is photo. We converted it into the 3D layout. Then our clients can measure. This is the new use case of the 360 VR contents. So this is the next sample. If is we can convert the 360 photo into the 3D layout. That means our clients can put the furniture on the floor, for example. So the good thing is that our accuracy is good enough to use these simulators. So the client can select the furniture and then they can put on the floor. So basically what we are doing is to create the new use case of the 360 photo VR. So then we can create and yeah, we can create the new market and then we will take it. So we're not going to global, but this is good enough market in Japan, $1.5 billion. So, and this year we will plan to get next Series B finance, so which boost our business to accelerate realizing our vision. So basically, we believe that the 360 panorama is a kind of the norm for the future days, and we will make it in the near future. Thank you.
Yeah, I find one question from audience. How is your service different from services like Matterport?
Yes, it's a little bit similar. And actually, in the high-end housing market, we would compete sometimes in Japan. So, but the different thing is that we, as the video shows, we just convert the 360 photo into the 3D layout. That means we don't need any expensive camera. So the Matterport basically requires some kind of the camera to take a photo and also the depth map. So what we are doing is to just take a photo, then we automatically convert the data into the 3D layout. So therefore, the companies, our business users can use, measuring the size or they put the furniture or something like that. So that is a different point.
So even small, mid-sized companies, clients can use your service much easily and even cheaper price, maybe.
Yes, that's right.
Okay. Next one. Yeah, I got one. What is the current accuracy of the solution in placing different furniture pieces in the room?
Yeah, just a kind of a technical question, but okay, simply speaking, so it's a range of the 1% in terms of the size. So we need to put a lot of the technologies to realize it, but as a result, around 1%. That's why it is good enough for users to use, putting the furniture or something like that.
Okay, maybe I have a question. Probably, can you tell us a little bit about the impact of the COVID-19? Because there may be positive impact as well, right? If you find, you find new customers from, new industries or new use cases, can you tell us?
Yeah, so I can see a lot of the changes in the world. So yeah, and we have the negative and the positive point. So from the positive point, so we have a lot of the contacts from the real estate housing companies. So we are growing first. So, but in the flip side, so in the training area, some companies reduce the investment in the training, the human resources. This is the negative side. But basically, that COVID-19 expand the DX market. That is the VR is very, I believe that VR is kind of the center of this trend. So we can, expand the market application to the different areas, not only real estate, but also, the e-commerce or, not only the training, so more side, the advertisement area. So we believe that it could expand our business.
I got another one. Do you plan to expand your service outside Japan anytime soon?
Yes, sure. So actually, there's our customers and outside of Japan will use our service. That's why I'm very seriously thinking about going to global.
he said, particularly in high-end residential property market in Asia.
Yes, it's very potential. So yeah, so if you are interested, so I would like to talk later. Yeah.
Okay, another question. Who pays? Real estate company pays subscription fee?
Yes, this is a SaaS model. So the unit price is around $200 to $500 monthly. So yeah.